The driving factors for us to automate the finish for our architectural millwork business primarily came from the realization that we had all this automation and advanced equipment in manufacturing, but not in finish. And finish actually started turning out to be a bottleneck for us because we could increase capacity with the same labor in manufacturing, but we couldn't do that in finish. And so our manufacturing capabilities didn't match our finish capabilities. Because our business is a very custom-based business, we need the flexibility that robotics offers. In the end, deciding between robotic spraying and reciprocating spraying turned out to be a simple one. Because of the nature of our business, the variety of product that we produce, robotics was really more suited for us. We can spray in multiple directions, we have much more control over the operation, and consequently allowed us to get many different results that we require in our business. The machine is very easy to program. You don't need any special knowledge except maybe Windows. You need to be a finisher. You need to understand the parameters of finishing, the same as you do when you're holding a gun, and know how far or how fast to run the gun. That's what you need to know to program this machine. You can do a new program in 15 minutes to a half an hour. When we first examined the cost benefit of running this machine, we had a very conservative model. We looked at sealing a large percentage of our product in the flat and maybe top coating a much smaller percentage, say 50% sealing and maybe 25% top coating. Both those numbers are higher than we expected. In addition, though, we're able to do a product that we didn't expect to do. We're able to do fairly complex and high-end staining projects through the machine, which we didn't expect to do. It was indicated to us that the machine didn't have the capability or couldn't do what a human could do on a gun. And it's true that it can't see the wood, so it can't adjust its approach to the wood based on color. But it can do anything that a sprayer can do, and it can do it much more consistently. And for the most part, it can lay down color expertly, and we've been really surprised by the results.